What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Skull&Co grip for the Nintendo Switch. Before we get into it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's do this thing. Now, I ordered this thing maybe about 4 or 5 days ago, and it said it was already delivered on the 6th. And it wasn't. It took a few more days, so I don't know if I got lost in the mail or something. But this is what the box looks like. Okay. Now, I ordered the Zelda Hyrule version of this, or the Skyward Sword version of this, which is a limited time color, I believe. So when you open up the box, you get a fake Switch inside of the case itself. Here's what it looks like on the back. It's got the Skull&Co logo on the back there. And then you got your blue handles. One is more of a purple, this is the blue. So each color that you choose from, there's a variety of different colors that you can pick for this particular product. And they both have a similar but different color on the back. Okay. And then on this particular piece of paper, it just shows you how to replace the grips, how to fit the grips to your liking. That's about it for that. And this is a rubbery, flexible grip that fits onto your device. Super cool. Beautiful design. It does come with different sized grips for your different size hands. And let's go ahead and put this thing on the Switch and see how it feels. So right here I have my original Switch that I carried. I have now switched over to the OLED, so I will tell you more about that in a minute. But putting this thing in is very simple. All you do is slide it on one side, make sure it's securely in, and then just pop in the other side. And that's it. It's in. Now, ooh, this thing feels awesome. This is what it looks like there. It fits in there perfectly. Now, I do want to say, if you are somebody that just picked up a Switch OLED, this particular product is not going to fit on the device. It's what I just found out myself. I did order this before I picked up the OLED, but I ordered this knowing that I might have switched over, depending on if I found it in the stores or not. And it does not fit because the OLED Switch is slightly bigger, so you're not going to be able to fit this in there. But for the regular Switch, it fits in there perfectly. At the top here, the case does cover the buttons, but it works perfectly fine covering these buttons up. I actually kind of like it, so the buttons aren't exposed. A slot for your game card there. At the bottom you got a spot for your charger, and yeah. And then you could also change these out if you want to. If you know somebody that has a different color you like, but they only had this one or whatever, you could always trade them out. Switch them up, they all fit the same exact device. But yeah, it feels great in the hands. It feels a lot better than just holding your Switch, because it can kind of get uncomfortable after a little bit after playing. But this thing right here is a nice, comfortable fit. It looks awesome. The only thing is, I have switched over to the OLED. Let's take a quick gander, a quick second to admire this beautiful device. take a second and just look at that screen difference. Beautiful, beautiful device. But the only issue is now my grip's not gonna fit. So I'm probably gonna end up sending this one back. And I looked on the website for skull&co, and they don't have any particular versions of this for the OLED yet. I'm sure they'll come out with it. They're a great company. I'm sure that they are in the works for this product. So I did see on the website there is a couple of like Neo grips or something for the OLED so far, but it's not this particular product. This is what I'm waiting for. This is what I want. So I will be waiting for that. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below, and give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Listen.